Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about your new topic, addition of rational number. So, how to add two rational numbers? We are going to learn in this point. So, I am taking an example. You have a two case to add two rational number, two or more rational number. Case 1, if the rational number having equal denominator or same denominator, 5 by 7 is a rational number and 1 by 7 also a rational number. Having both the same denominator, here denominator 7, here also denominator also 7. In this particular example, you can add both the number, those having same denominator. How it is? So give the plus sign because I am going to add it. So if having same denominator, you just write that denominator here and simply add it all the numerator. 5 plus 1 is 6 by 7. This is the first case. So how to add the two or more rational number, those having same denominator. Another example I am taking. If having 3 by 4 and this is the 2 by 4, both having same denominator, we just simply add it. We write down the denominator is 4 and simply add it. 3 plus 2, so this is 5 by 4. This way also we can add those having same denominator. Second case. In second case, if a number having unequal denominator, rational number having unequal denominator, you simply take an example. 5 by 7 and this is 1 by 14. This 7 and this is 14. Is the 7 is not equal to 14. This is unequal. In case of unequal denominator, you just have to find out the LCM of all the denominator. Here denominator is 7, here denominator is 14. We just find out the LCM of 7 and 14. LCM of 7 and 14 is that 7 is the 1, the 2. So LCM equal to 7 into 2, that is 14. I am not taking 1 as a multiplication. So you just add it. You write down the LCM here. Here LCM is 14. We write down the 14. Always you divide LCM by the respective denominator. That's here 14. This is the 2. Then this value, that is 5, will be multiplied by the 2 plus. Always you divide LCM by the denominator. Here denominator 14, that is 1. So here you 1 multiplied by 1, that is 10 plus 1, 14, that is 11 by 14. So you can, in this way you can add the both the rational number those having unequal denominator. Also, in another process, I am taking how to add in case of unequal denominator. You just find out the LCM because 6 are here, 9. Both denominator having unequal denominator. So LCM of 6 and 9 is 3 to 3. So LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 3. 18. This is second process. In second process, you have to make all the rational number as a same denominator. You have to make it. How it is possible? Same thing. The LCM 18. So 18 will divide by your denominator. So this is a 3. You just multiply both the numerator and denominator by the 3. This is 15 by 18. 4 by 9 as the rational number. 4 by 9 means you just divide the LCM by the denominator. That is a 2. So you multiply 2 both numerator and denominator. So 4 into 2 here 9 into 2. So 8 by 18. So 8 by 18. So it is converted as a same denominator. If same denominator, you just simply add it. 5 by 6 plus 4 by 9 means minus 15 by 18 plus 8 by 18. So this is a same denominator. So 18 minus 15 plus 8. Here minus and here plus. If both the having opposite sign, you just simply subtract between both the number. 15 minus 8. This is the 7. This is the bigger number. Who should sign the minus? You write down the minus sign. And then you can write the LCM. This is the second procedure, how to add the two numbers those having unequal denominator. Next is your properties of addition of rational number. There are different properties. First of all is a closure properties. Closure property stated that if A by B is a rational number, C by D also a rational number, if we are adding both the two rational numbers, the resultant also will be a rational number. If A by B is a rational number, C by D also a rational number, so addition of both the number also will be a rational number. We simply take an example. 5 by 7 and another is a 1 by 7. Both are rational number. Simply add it. 7, 5 plus 1, this will be 6 by 7. This is also a rational number. So this is the closure property. Next is a commutative properties. Commutative property stated that if A by B a rational number, C by D also a rational number, addition of both the rational number we will equal to the C by D plus A by B. I am taking an example. 3 by 8 and 5 by 6. These are two rational number. You add it. This addition will be equal to this addition. You just verify. Left hand side 3 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Both are unequal denominator. Find the LCM. LCM of 8 and 6 is 4, 3. That is LCM is 2 into 4 into 3. That is 24. LCM is a 24. So this is 24. If divide 24 by 8, divide 24 by 8, this is 3. So this 3 will be multiplied will be by this 3 plus 24 divided by 6, 4. So you multiply 5 by 4. So this is 9, 20 and 24. 29 by 24. Right hand side. 5 by 6 we add by 3 by 8. So LCM is 24. You divide 24 by 6, that is 4, and 5 we will multiply by 4 plus 24 divided by 8, that is 3, and this 3 will be multiplied by this 3. So this is a 20 plus 9 by 24, so 29 by 24. So this value equal to this value. So left hand side always equal to right hand side. So we can say that 3 by 8 plus 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6 plus 3 by 8. This is the commutative property. Next, rationale also followed by associative law, that is associative property. Associative property. Next is your associative properties. Associative properties stated that if A by B plus C by D and adding E by F, this is a rational number, this is also a rational number, and this is also a rational number. That particular value will be equal to the A by B plus addition of the both remaining part. This is the associative property. A by B, C by D, E by F, both all are rational number. Simply take 3 rational number. 2 by 3, 1 by 6 and 7 by 12. These are the 3 rational number. Add it. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 will be equal to the 7 by 12. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6, this addition and addition to 7 by 12 will value will be equal to this value. You just verify it. Left hand side, so 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 7 by 12. You just add 3 and 6. LCM is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and 2 multiplied by this 2 plus 6 divided by 6, this 6 divided by this 6, that is 1, and multiply by this numerator. Clear? Plus 7 by 12. This is 4. 4 plus 1 is 6 plus 7 by 12. This is 5 by 6, that is 7 by 12. Again, you add it. LCM of 6 and 12. 6 and 12 is 12. 2, 3, 6. 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 2. The LCM equal to 12. So 12 divided by 6, that is 2. 2 multiplied by this numerator plus 12 divided by this 12, that is 1, and multiply by the numerator. That is 10 plus 7 by 12. This is 17 by 12. This value from the left hand side. You take 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 7 by 12. At first you add it. Which one? Bracket part. 6 and 12. LCM is 12. 12 divided by 6, that is 2. 2 multiplied by this numerator, that is 1, plus 12 divided by the 12, that is 1, multiplied by this numerator, that is 7. So 2 by 3 plus 2 plus 7 by 12. So 2 by 3 plus 5, 2 plus 7, that is 9 by 12. Next, addition of this number, these two numbers. 3 plus 12, that is 3 and 12, LCM is 12. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, and 4 multiplied by numerator 2, plus 12 divided by 12, that is 1, and multiply by numerator. That is 8 plus 9 by 12, that is 17 by 12. So this 7, like left hand side, the 17 by 12, also right hand side, answer is 17 by 12. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So we can say that this value equal to this value. Clear? Next is a existence of additive identity. That is function of 0. Any rational number addition to 0 and 0 with that particular rational number the same value. That is the rational number given 2 by 3. So any rational number, that is 2 by 3, I am taking this number addition to 0 and 0 addition to that particular rational number gives us same value and giving the resultant as a same rational number. This is the properties of existence of additive identity. Existence of additive inverse. So in case of integer number, we have seen that additive inverse of any integer number, that is, if number is 3, so additive inverse is a minus 3. If number is minus 4, whose additive inverse is a plus 4. Similarly, in case of rational number, so I am taking the rational number to my 2 by 3, and the additive inverse means minus 2 by 3. Or the minus 5 by 7 is the rational number. This additive inverse of this particular number will be plus 5 by 7. This is the properties of the existence of the additive inverse. So sum of rational number and its additive inverse will be always equal to 0. So 2 by 3 is the rational number, and additive inverse of this number is minus 2 by 3. The sum of two rational numbers, and this is the inverse of this particular rational number, and both addition will always result as 0. That is 2 by 3 plus and minus minus 2 by 3. So 3, 2 minus 2. So the 0 by 3 is a 0. Clear? A rational number plus additive inverse of a rational number, both equal to 0.